Ouch! Being hit by plastics? Drowning in plastics? Don't do that. Throw them away. Dump even your Teflon utensils. They are out of fashion. Cast iron? Yes, please.
Yes, you guessed it right. This is a cast iron skillet. It's beautiful. It's by Rock and it's heavy. This is so heavy. I need two hands to literally hold it in front of the camera right now. And my purpose of doing this video with this skillet is to tell you and to encourage you to start using cast iron utensils. Yes, this is one of our favorite instruments in my house. Really loves cooking in cast iron. So I looked it up and I found out that cast iron has beautiful advantages of cooking. Keep watching to know more. 3, 4, 5.
You can literally
6,
pump iron.
7,
There you go.
8, 9, 10. Whew. This is heavy.
The cast iron utensil can be used for any type of deep frying. For example, here, my brother is frying off some amazing looking puris in this beautiful glazed pan and he's laughing about something. Look at that glaze on that pre-seasoned kadhai. That can go on top of a firewood stove too. Conventional cooking, it works beautifully.
The cast iron utensil, it can go anywhere. It is tough. It is non-sticky. It can be used to pump iron like I showed you in my video or not. Or you rather just make food in it and eat, which supplies all the iron your body needs. It's very useful. It's any day better than plastics. It significantly and definitely makes food taste better. So there you go. You have all the benefits of using cast iron. So let us all replace our plastic, our Teflon and all other nonsensical instruments from our kitchen and replace it with iron. Let's go back to our grandmother's cooking. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Share it with your friends, for everybody who needs this little piece of tiny knowledge. And please come back for more. See you soon. This is heavy.